So today we're going to be having this very section, and I made mention of this in the previous section that we're going to be referring to this throughout or in every part of this class because it is very necessary. So in the previous class we were able to do the other way around. So on this very class today we're going to be doing this way around. Okay, if that makes sense. So let's dive straight into today's video. And before then, if you've seen me for the first time, meet me. I am Enitina and this is Adult Education with Tina. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by, and please let's dive straight into today's video. So right here on the board with me, I have it already listed out. These are the 21 consonants plus the 5 vowels, making 26 letters of English language. So right now I'm going to be starting from this side. Okay, so let's go. I have up, up, up. The other one was ba because this was placed here, now it's here. Okay, I don't know if you're getting it. So now we have up, ep, ep, ip, ip, up, up, oop, oop, up, eb, ip, up, oop, up, eb, ip, up, oop. Okay, we have ak, ek, ik, ok, ook, ad, ed, it, ot, ut, af, f, if, of, uf, a, e, I, o, u, ach, ech, ich, och, uch, ak, ek, ik, ok, ook, ok, ok, okay, okay, ok, ook, al, el, il, ol, ul. Let's go again. Up, ep, ip, up, oop, ak, ek, ik, ok, ook, at, ed, it, ot, ut, af, f, if, of, uf, ag, ek, ik, ok, ook, a, e, I, o, u, ach, ech, ich, och, uch, ak, ek, ik, ok, ook, al, el, il, ol, ul. Alright, so let's move to this part. We have em, im, on, am, em, im, this is the me sound. An, en, in, on, un, up, 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 ep, ep, ip, ip, op, op, up, up, akwi, 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 ekwi, 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 iwi, 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 ofwi, ofwi, ufwi, 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 ah, 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 e, 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 I, o, u, as, es, is, os, at, et, it, ot, ut. Af, ef, if, of, oof. Ow, el, ew, o, u. Ax, x, x, ox, ux. I, a, e, oi, ui. As, is, us, us. Okay, let's go one more time again. Im, an, in, on, un. Up, ep, ip, op, op. Ak, ek, ik, ok, uk. A, i, o, u. As, is, os, us. At, et, it, ot, ut. Af, ef, if, of, uf. Au, el, ew, o, u. As, is, os, us. Au, ew, o, u. As, is, os, us. Okay, so let's go over it again. From here, I go to this side. Ab, eb, ib, ob, ub. Ak, ek, ik, ok, uk. Ad, ed, id, ot, ut. Af, ef, if, of, uf. Ag, eg, ik, ok, uk. Au, i, o, u. Ach, ich, och, ut. Ak, ek, ik, ok, uk. Al, el, il, ol, ul. Am, em, im, an, en, in, on, un. Ap, ep, ip, op, up. Ak, ek, ik, ok, up. A, i, o, u. As, is, os, us. At, et, it, ot, ut. Af, ef, if, of, uf. Au, el, ew, o, u. As, is, os, us. I, a, e, o, u. As, is, os, us. As, is, os, us. As, is, os, us. Okay, so I think we're now familiar with this. So if you're having any challenges with pronouncing this, actually you can use this to correct your mistakes, so we progress. Okay, so this is what I have for us on this today class, and from here we're going to progress. So on the next class we're going to continue with our word formation as usual, and please don't forget to subscribe if you're still seeing me for the first time. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video, and bye for now.